Hello, so I'm here today with lovely Ellie. So we met a year ago at a festival where I had done a workshop and a talk, and Ellie came to me and said, I would really love to do that one day. And I kind of challenged her, well, why don't you do it next year? Why don't you go and speak to the organisers right now and sign up to do it next year? And that time has come. And we are going to do a short visualization to help you with preparing for that. Ellie, is there anything you would like to say before we get started?
No, I think let's just get in it. I'm excited. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. So I just want to, let's get into it.
All right then. So we are going to just get really comfortable and close your eyes and just getting nice and grounded. Bringing the attention to the breath in through the nose and out with a sigh. Just noticing any tension in the forehead, around the eyes, the jaw, neck, shoulders, back, belly, the hands, letting it all go nice and loose, getting really, really comfortable. Feeling your feet supported by the floor, your bum and your legs supported by the chair. And taking your mind to the weekend and imagining that you have just finished your workshop. It was beautiful sunshine. And over 12 people came along to do your arrow break workshop. And they all absolutely loved it. They've overcome some of their own limiting beliefs. They've done things they didn't think were possible, and you were the one that inspired them to do it. The whole atmosphere, all of them and yourself, you're all absolutely buzzing because it just went so, so well. So I want you to think about what you're wearing, what you can hear, what you can smell, what you can taste, thinking about what you did before the workshop to make it a great success. Did you have some food or were you too nervous to eat? Did you do a run through or did you talk to somebody about what you were doing? Did you have some quiet time? What were the things that made this work so well? What resources and prompts did you have with you during the workshop to help it run smoothly? And how are you going to celebrate it going so, so well? And as you imagine that workshop going so well, getting fantastic feedback and feeling amazing, just noticing what that actually feels like in your body. Where can you feel that success? Does it have a shape or a colour? Can you breathe into it and make it bigger and brighter? And now imagining that future version of you who has already done it could give you some advice now. What would she say? When you're ready, just opening your eyes. So I'd really like to invite you to share out loud what advice that future you would give to you now. So the version of you that's already done it and done it so well.
I think they just trust yourself. Like you've got nothing to prove. It isn't about proving anything. I think it's like letting that go. I'm not there to prove anything. You know, that was never the point. Remember that. Like you are just there to share something that you feel so drawn to share with others and offer this to others. just remember that if it's for them, it will be for them. And I think, yeah, it's just remember why you're doing it, and just do it. Just don't overthink it. Don't try and all the. I think they're kind of saying all this kind of stress and trying to do these little bits, and it's just going to come out how it comes out. Enjoy. That's the point. So yeah, just relax with it. It's something that you want to share, so share it.
Yes. How does that feel?
It feels really nice. It does. It feels really. I felt really nice during that visualization. I think I just, as soon as you said like you've just done it, I was like, like really smiling. And yeah, it's a really nice feeling, and it's nice to feel. Yeah, it is going to be over at some point. Not that I wanted to be over, as in I'm doing it. There is that point is going to come where I'm going to go, just done that, and I've just shared that with the people that are turning up. And yeah, it's nice. There's obviously two different bits. I'm doing it because I want to share it, and I've worked really hard. I've put the work in, which is something that I'm constantly proving to myself that I am following what I'm doing. Like, these limiting beliefs that have kept me back is why I want to share it. So I'm following that, and I'm doing it. And there's also that part of me that bit that was for me when we sat in the field a year ago, and I kind of went, I think I want to do this, and I was really like, I didn't believe it. This the first time I said it. I just wanted to do it. I knew it was there, and I felt that pull to it, but I was holding back. And yeah, that version of me is just like, we did it.
What would you say to her?
Told you. Told you. No, just yeah. I told you, we just need to let everything go and just do it. Go and do it. But yeah, it's emotional. It's really like, but in such a good way. It's really positive, and it's nice, and it's like, I feel proud of myself. Like, I feel really proud of myself. And that's something, again, before I would have felt almost embarrassed saying that. I'm like, I can't say that, and I'm like, no, I'm proud of myself. I I'm enjoying myself. I'm doing the things I wanted to do, that I said I was going to do.
Just the start.
This is just the start, yeah, and it's amazing, and I can continue building that momentum and going forward. And I think WOW is obviously such a special place for me. It's nice that this, I have done arrow breaks for people. Obviously, I do that, but I think it's the location, and it's the big kind of official event that is. So yeah, it's all going the right way, and it's just continuing to go that way. It's just a step on the path. So
oh, I love this. And I can really, obviously we were chatting a bit beforehand, and it's like you can really feel that shift in you, like that confidence coming through. It's really good.
Definitely.
So just to finish off this conversation, what practical things from doing that visualization, were there any practical things that came up for you that you're like, I need to remember to take a bottle of water or sun cream or choose my outfit, and any practical things that have come up?
Yeah, both of them. I do have an outfit in mind, but also there's like, my favorite part of this festival is they have this clothes switch that I always go and buy an outfit from. So I'm going to see what's there as well, because I might find the right thing there. But I can kind of see what I'm gonna be wearing. Definitely have my water. When you're saying about who you're going to talk to beforehand, when we had a conversation before, and someone said, when you talk about it, you can see you change. You change in yourself, and you get excited about it. So talk about it beforehand. So I'm going to do that. And I found previously, when I do talk about it before. It was like warm up, like if I'm explaining what I do or just talking about what I'm going to do, I find myself kind of going, yeah, this is what I'm doing, rather than going in and going, oh, let's start. So yeah, talk about it beforehand. Just make sure I've got all my kits all ready to go, arrows are ready to go. I have got my prompt sheet. I need to get that all printed out. So that's the next kind of few steps to get everything that I may need. I may not need them, but they're there if I do. And I'm happy and I'm comfortable with that, to kind of go, yeah, if I need them, they're there. Like it's yes.
Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing this with us, and best of luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.